Okay, here we are. Imperial Suites, Cabarete, Dominican Republic. 3-bedroom suite. Everyone has their own room. Everything is laid out pretty well. Everyone has their own access, which is even better. The bathroom is lovely. They have a kitchen, so if you want to cook, they do give you the option here to go all inclusive, but it's really not necessary. You know, so many stores in the local area. Another bedroom on this side. Don't mind how dark the room is. Give me a minute here. Once again, everyone has their own bathroom of decent size. Wait, there's a light switch in this one. Oh, weird. Okay. Not for sure when the light switch is at in this bathroom, but everyone has their own iron. You can get towels for the pool. The 3rd bedroom here is primary suite. Decent size, as you can see. Bed is a king size, which is very good. Nice long closet to put all your stuff in. Only one room has the safe, which is actually the master, or the primary as you call it. And once again, the bathroom comes with the amenities, so you don't have to bring too much of anything. Just your expectations of the beach, which at this point now I would show you. We're going out here to the balcony, which shows one side of the pool. This is their Imperial Suites part of the pool. It's pretty nice. The waves are very rough out here, so the beach's access is right there, but most people come out here to do kite surfing, which this area is very known for.